Let us learn the periodic trends in the modern periodic table. When the properties of elements in a period or a group of the modern periodic table are compared, certain regularities observed in their variations. The repetitions of similar chemical properties of elements at regular intervals with increasing atomic number is called periodic property or periodicity. In modern periodic table, we will observe that certain properties are repeated after regular intervals. So, this is nothing but periodicity of the properties. What are periodic trends then? Periodic trends are specific patterns in the properties of chemical elements that we revealed in the periodic table of elements. The trends observed in some important properties of the elements in moving down the group, that is, from top to bottom of the table and across a period from left to right in a period are valency, atomic size, metallic and non-metallic character, electronegativity, ionization energy, electron affinity, and chemical reactivity. But in this year, we are going to study some of them. Let us start with periodic trend in the modern periodic table, that is valency. Valency of an element is determined by the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of its atom. Let us have a look at hydrogen atom. We all know atomic number of hydrogen is 1, that is, it has only one electron in the outermost shell, that is the first shell K. To complete its duplet state, it requires one more electron, that is, it has only one valence electron. Let us understand with one more example. Here you can see atom of oxygen. As atomic number of oxygen is 8, the electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. Means 2 electrons in the first shell and remaining 6 electrons in the valence shell. Now here, as 6 are the electrons in the valence shell, oxygen needs either to lose 6 electrons and complete its duplet with 2 electrons, or it needs to gain 2 electrons and complete its octet, that is, complete 8 electrons in the valence shell. If we will consider this, then valency may be defined as the combining capacity of the atom of an element with atoms of other elements in order to acquire the stable configuration. What is the stable configuration? That is 8 electrons in the valence shell, or in some special cases like hydrogen and helium, it is 2 electrons in the valence shell. Why hydrogen and helium? See children, only hydrogen and helium have O first shell, that is K shell only, as its atomic numbers are 1 and 2. Rest all the elements have minimum 2 shells. So for special cases like hydrogen and helium, it is completion of 2 electrons in the valence shell, that is duplet, and for other elements it is completion of 8 electron, that is the valence shell. Now let us understand it little more clearly with some few more example. Helium, as it has got 2 electrons, so its outermost shell is completed and stable with the duplet. So valency of helium is 0. In the same way, let us understand fluorine, magnesium and potassium atom. In fluorine, the atomic number is 9 and its electronic configuration is 2 and 7. That means fluorine has 7 valence electrons. Now, if fluorine has to complete its duplet, then it has to lose all 7 electrons, or it has got one other option, that is, if it has to complete its octet, then it can gain 1 electron. It is easier for fluorine to gain 1 electron and complete its octet. So, fluorine likes to gain 1 electron and complete its octet, and the valency of fluorine or the valence electrons of the fluorine are 7. Now, let us look at Mg. As Mg's electronic configuration is 282 with atomic number 12, the 2 valence electrons in the outermost orbit will like to lose instead of gaining 6 electrons to complete its octet. If we will see potassium, its electronic configuration is 2881. Here also, potassium has 1 electron in the outermost shell, that is 1 electron as valence electron. So for potassium also, to complete the nearmost octet, it is easier to lose 1 electron. With this, we will understand valency more clearly. Now, let us understand the periodic trend valency in the modern periodic table. In a period, the number of valence electron increases as we move from left to right side. However, in a group, this periodic trend is constant, that is, the number of valence electron remains the same. Here, only the valence electrons in the periodic table is given. If we'll go with the groups, that is from top to bottom, we will see that in every element, the number of valence electrons are same. That is, group 1 with 1 valence electron, group 2 with 2 valence electron, and so on. But if we will see the period, that is first period, you will see that the valence electron increases from left to right. Hydrogen with 1 valence electron, helium with 2 electrons in the outermost shell. As it is stable, it is given with different color. In the second period, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the valence electrons. So, again, in a period, the valence electron increases as we move from left to right. And in a group, it remains constant, that is, remains same.